Hello, in front of me I've got BMW F40. In this video I'll show you safety systems installed in this car and how to manage them. In the beginning, let's start with center console. Right here you can quickly enter parking brake mode, disable or enable traction control, start, stop and enable parking sensors. Via these buttons you can change driving mode. Take a look at the screen display. If you press this button, you will enter Intelligent Safety mode. Here you can select all safety systems, individual, or you can disable them. Next, let's go to Car, Settings, and now go to Exterior Lighting. Here you can enable one-touch indicator, daytime driving, lights rear, change right, left hand traffic and more. From lights, the important thing is welcome and goodbye lights, so your road to home or from home will be illuminated. Let's go to driving assistance. Right here we've got front collision warning, lane departure warning and steering intervention. Next we've got speed assistant, where you can see current speed limit. Next we've got parking and maneuvering settings, where you can enable PDC and adjust PDC signal. In the end you can adjust vibration intensity of the steering wheel. Let's go to doors and vehicle access, where you can manually assign function to buttons on the key fob. You can enable auto lock, unlock, or you can also enable auto engine off after door opening. In interior lighting you can manage ambient lighting for better visual, and in the end you can manage key button assignment. For safety systems, this car is also equipped with 6 airbags, 2 in the front, 2 curtains and 2 side, and also some trims include knee airbag. Next, some trims offer head-up display, thanks to which you can quickly see your speed and alerts on the windshield. This car is also equipped with ISOFIX in the rear seat, and you can also disable front airbag of the passenger via key fob. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.